This course is important because we're going to take a litigation file and we're going to break it down and unpackage it into its basic elements and look at every single step of the way in a litigation file. So when you come out of this course, you would have examined the litigation steps going from your first meetings with the clients and drafting the pleadings through figuring out the theory of the case and how to gather evidence and so forth, all the way to trial and to closing the file at the end of the day. Ultimately, we thought about it taking into account the associates that are fairly fresh, that have come out of law school in the last few years and have not had a lot of opportunity to see how litigation works in the real world. The real answer to that is because I was terrified of being a civil litigator, and I chose to do that first in my rotation when I articled way back when at Davis & Company, when they were still called Davis. You know, being a litigator is not an easy thing. It's doing battle, and it's doing battle with the other side, and sometimes it's even doing battle with your client. I think it gives them the comfort that we all are terrified and we all think that we don't know how to do things, and they're going to see that these very experienced litigators have the same anxieties and the same concerns. Ultimately, we all want to do the job well done, and this is part of being a lawyer, and hopefully that's going to give them the comfort that we hear you, we feel the same way, and here's what we can pass on in terms of how you can do things in the best way possible. I'm Luciana Brazil. I hope that you can join me and Justice Butler for the Civil Litigation Basics course on February 22nd or 23rd, in person or online.